In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to edit an NBA video using Viggle AI. You can follow these same steps whether you're using the Viggle AI app, the Discord server, or the website. But for this demonstration, I'll be using the website version. First, open up the Viggle AI website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice two main sections. On the left side, you'll see a section labeled Motion. This is where you'll upload the NBA video that you want to edit by adding your character. The video can be anything, like a player scoring, celebrating, or performing any action. For this example, I'll upload a video of LeBron James. Once your video has been uploaded, we move over to the section on the right, which is labeled Character. Here, you'll need to upload an image of yourself or the character you want to place into the NBA video. For this example, I'll use an image of Elon Musk. Once you've uploaded the character image, you'll be ready for the next step. Now, simply click on the green Create button. Once you do that, the AI will start processing your video, replacing the player in the NBA clip with the character you uploaded. This process might take a few minutes, so be patient while it generates the video. Once the AI is done, you can preview the result. As you can see, Elon Musk has replaced LeBron James in the NBA video. If you're happy with how it turned out, all you need to do is click on the download icon to save the video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully edited your NBA video with Viggle AI.